secant x is equal to 2 cos x. We're working out the values of x in this range here. So secant is 1 over cos. Multiplying both sides by cos x to get rid of this fraction. So on this side, cos x times that cos x will give you cos squared x. Dividing by 2 will give you cos squared x is equal to a half, and then if you square root both sides, you'll get cos x is equal to the square root of a half, and cos x is equal to minus the square root of a half. So then you've got this. And you need to solve these separately and then combine the solutions together, and your final answer should be, so there are 4 solutions. Cot x is the same as 1 over tan x, and tan x is the same as sine over cos, so 1 over tan is cos over sine. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by sine x to get rid of the fraction. And then subtract cos x from both sides, so that term moves to the right. And now factorize, because both of these terms have cos x in them. So if I take the cosine of x out, I will have this 5 sine x minus 1 in brackets. So now I'm solving. Cos x is equal to 0, and I'm solving 5 sine x minus 1 equals 0. So the sine x from here is equal to, if you move the 1 over, divide by 5 there. So inverse cosine of 0, inverse sine of a fifth, and work out the solutions. So these are the solutions, all in this range, 0 to 360. A common mistake with this solution is, at this stage, to think, well, why don't we divide both sides by the cosine of x? So if you divide both sides by cos x, so you've got rid of this, and if you divided this side by cos x, so that gives you 1, and if you solve this now, you'll have solutions from here, but now you've lost solutions from here, which means you will lose this solution and this solution. Tan x is equal to 4 cot x plus 3. So tan x is equal to, well, cot x is 1 over tan, but that 4 will go into the numerator. To get rid of the fraction, multiply by tan x here, here, and here. And moving all the terms to one side, because this is a disguised quadratic equation, so we've got tan squared x minus 3 tan x minus 4 is equal to 0, which will factorize like this. Tan x times tan x will give you tan squared x. No, so now we just need to work out what goes here and here, and that will be minus 4 and plus 1. So from here we've got tan x minus 4 equals 0, So tan x is equal to 4, and from here we have tan x plus 1 equals 0, so tan x is equal to minus 1, so inverse tan 4 to get solutions here, inverse tan minus 1 to get solutions here, and we need to stick within this range. So the values of x, 4 solutions.